If you are looking for 3D modeling software, then you're in the right place. Today we're having a look at Blender, we're having a look at Cinema 4D. We want to know which one is the better option for your specific needs. So ladies and gentlemen, Blender is free and free software is awesome. Let's check exactly why Blender is a cut above the rest. So with Blender, you can discover the world's most powerful open source 3D creation software that is revolutionizing digital art, and it has been for a very long time, animation and also game development across many industries. So why are people choosing Blender and why should you choose Blender? Some of their advantages, of course, is the 100% free and open source. This means that there's no licensing fees or subscription costs, and there's constantly improvements by passionate global community members. And these are developers and artists who understand what your creative needs are. Also, it has cross-platform power, so it runs on Windows, Mac, Linux, with Python scripting support for completely customized workflows and automation. And then it's a complete creative pipeline. So it's literally everything you need in one package, including modeling, rigging, animation, simulation, rendering, compositioning, motion tracking, and even video editing capabilities, all in one space. And then literally from hobbyists to Hollywood, Blender is something that's been used by literally everybody. Some of their powerful benefits and features include their advanced creative tools, right? So you have professional sculpting brushes, realistic physics simulations, dynamic particle effects, and very precise camera tracking for stunning visual storytelling. It also has industry-leading rendering. So Cycles and Eevee engines deliver both photorealistic ray-traced images and lightning-fast real-time previews with cinematic effects. Their optimized workflow is a customizable interface. They have keyboard shortcuts and Python automation tools to boost your productivity and adapt to your unique creative process. And then it's a thriving ecosystem. There's thousands of tutorials, there's free plugins, active forums, and regular updates to ensure there is continuous learning and expansion on the features. Alright, let's unlock creative power and 3D animation and design in Cinema 4D. So Cinema 4D is the industry-leading 3D animation and modeling software that's transforming creative visions into stunning visual experiences. So why should you be choosing Cinema 4D above all else? So first of all, it is industry proven and award winning. So it has the MoGraph toolset, which was earned in a 2019 Academy Technical Achievement Award for revolutionizing motion graphics animation. It's used in blockbuster films like The Avengers, Endgame, Pacific Rim, and Interception, along a bunch more. It is user-friendly and fast. It has a very intuitive interface, which is widely recognized as the easiest 3D software for beginners and professionals alike. It has a new core engine which delivers multiple times faster performance, especially in complex motion graphics and simulations. And you can also seamlessly integrate your workflows. So it has tight Adobe Creative Cloud integrations which can streamline your post-production. This includes Redshift GPU accelerated rendering for stunning photorealistic visuals, and then also it has blazing speed. The last thing that we are going to have a look at here is some of their key features and how they can further benefit you. So their powerful procedural animation with MoGraph. This allows you to create complex animations effortlessly using the clone objects and effectors tools. This is often without any keyframes. The second thing is the advanced simulation and their particle systems. So you have an interactive viewport control for particle emitters and velocity. Plus, there's new custom property outputs for dynamic effects. Number 3 is the versatile modeling and sculpting tools. So polygon reductions and polypen tools can simplify your editing while preserving detail and smoothness. Number 4 is their cross-industry applications. It's trusted by motion designers, visual effects artists, architects, game developers, and AR/VR creators all over the world. Number 5, and the last thing, is their extensive learning resources. And this is very important. They have thousands of tutorials, live webinars, and a supportive community that's making Cinema 4D an accessible and rewarding tool to use. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Now you've seen the best of the best. The takeaway here is to go and try all of the software that is available. See what actually works for you specifically. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.